So for my egg in cocotte, I decided to make my egg casserole out of stewed garlic, shallots, and tomatoes. And if you can see inside this pot, what I have here are julienne shallots or onions, a little bit of chopped up garlic, minced, and I just did cherry tomatoes cut in half. It's just a juicy stew. Just make sure it's really nicely seasoned with salt and pepper. What you need is something stewy, something juicy, so that the egg can sit on. So you take that stew, whatever it might be, and you put that into a ramekin type dish like this. And you try to make a little divot in the center so that the egg can sit inside of it. You take a good farmed egg, nice free range egg, and I always crack it into a small bowl first so that we're safe, we don't get any shell in there. And then I'm gonna put it into this baking dish right here. I'll make 3 of them, right on the top. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a nice little topping for them now. My absolute favorite is creme fraiche. So I've got some creme fraiche here. You can buy in any good store. And a little spoonful right over the top will give it that extra bit of fat that it needs. Right over the top like so. And then finally, I'm gonna use grated Parmesan cheese, but feta would be great if you wanted to give it a little Middle Eastern spice to it. So that goes right over the top. You're gonna pour some boiling water into this. So let me show you how ours came out. By the way, 15 minutes to 20 minutes. If you want your egg just set and the yolk nice and runny, you want 15 minutes. If you want it to be a little more cooked, go up to the full 20. Let's see how this looks. And it's just beautiful. So our cheese has melted over the top. The eggs are just set, and we have our beautiful tomato stew underneath. Thanks to the warm water from the bain-marie, this is all cooked evenly and gently. And it's just a beautiful dish for you to try for really any time of the day. Give it your own personality, give it your own flavor, but definitely try egg en cocotte. For a taste of France, make egg en cocotte at home with my recipe at checkpleasefl.com.